Good morning, everyone. We'll just wait for a minute or two so more people can join, and by 11 I'll start my session. Can anyone just notify me if I'm audible and clearly visible? Am I audible? Thank you. Yeah, Leo. So we'll just wait for 2 more minutes. Yeah, Leo sir. Okay, so let's just begin. And good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is safe and doing well in this quarantine. And I'm really thankful to our principal sir, Mr. Hitesh Puri, for giving me this opportunity. So I'm Unnati Jindal, and I'm an alumni of DPS East. I passed out 12th in 2019. So let's begin. Now, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Now, supporting this quote, I like to share my views on balancing academics and extracurriculars. Now, education is an interplay of intelligence and characters. It's not only restricted to classwork or marks, lectures, and exams, and not just that. Okay, it's much more. It builds one's personality and it changes your capabilities into abilities. Now, the higher we get on the academic ladder, the harder it gets to give time to things like dancing or singing, cooking, painting, writing, reading, or whatever. Okay, so balancing academics and extracurriculars is of utmost importance in today's life of students. Okay, so as academics is our top priority, indulging yourself in extracurriculars will not only help students to switch off from their hectic schedule but also build an all-round personality. Now, pursuing these activities will really help you to give a different perspective towards your studies, and it will help you to improve and succeed. Now, picking up an activity totally depends on you, right? Obviously, what you have to do, what is your interest, it depends on you, right? So, but one thing should be kept in mind, that the activity or the extracurricular which you choose should be completely different from your coursework. Now, I'm saying this because your activity is extra, which means it should be meant for your recreation and relaxation. It could be something related to sports, might be cricket or football, or if you like reading or writing, maybe cooking, painting, etc. And it should give you a break from your regular routine of exams and assignments and projects and whatnot, and build your personality as an individual. Now, in my case, I took dancing as my extracurriculars, and I'm a Bharatnatyam dancer. I started my journey when I was in class 2. So it has been almost 11 years and I'm still learning. I completed my 7 years course, and in 2013 I completed my Arangetram, and I was so lucky and blessed enough that our principal sir, Mr. Hitesh Puri, was present on that special occasion with me. And in 2016 I also won a state level youth competition, and by the way it was the same year I was appearing for my 10th boards. And recently, back in 2019, December 2019, I completed my Visharad. So, by the way, I'm taking drop and I'm appearing for NEET 2020. So, सब लोग सुनते हैं राइट कि मेडिकल स्टूडेंट है, 12 to 14 आवर्स स्टडी होनी चाहिए, कोई एक्स्ट्रा वर्क नहीं होना चाहिए, दैट्स जस्ट अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन, इट विल नॉट हेल्प यू विद योर स्टडी एंड ऑल. But personally, I think that's not true, because I have read many interviews of medical students, and they say that if you want to pursue, or if you're willing to pursue some activity along with your academics, then you have to sacrifice certain things. Like you have to sacrifice going out for movies or restaurants or chilling with friends, and obviously कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, right? But it's up to you कि तुम्हें क्या पाना है और तुम्हें क्या खोना है. So yeah, being a NEET aspirant, dancing has helped me a lot to cope up with my stress. I remember back in class 11th and 12th, I had school, 12th boards obviously, journals, projects. Oh my god, especially that PE project I remember, उसमें हमें 100 pages हमें written लिखना था, हमें उसको पूरा write करना था. फिर आकाश के mock tests and what not. And I was so stressed at a point that I decided कि okay, dancing छोड़ देते, let's just focus on NEET, okay? And क्योंकि हम सब सुनते हैं right, it's stereotype society में कि academics is only it is important, कुछ साथ में नहीं कर सकते, you will not be able to handle it, it's just a waste of time. But that's not true, my friends. My guru, Miss Sheetal Makwana, she really helped me. She actually scolded me for thinking that to take a drop from dance, and उन्होंने मुझे समझाया कि you can balance both, and it's just a matter of time management. Yes, it's just a matter of time management. How you want to prioritize your work. Like you want to just spend your time, or you have to do something productive. Like 24 hours नहीं पढ़ सकता, राइट? इट्स दिमाग में प्रेशर कुकर बन जाएगा. You need break so that your mind is clear, and when you sit to study, then you can concentrate well and focus well. Okay. So she was so supportive, my guru, that उन्होंने क्लास के टाइमिंग्स ऐसे सेट किए थे कि कभी मेरी कोई प्रैक्टिस मिस ना हो. I could easily manage my school, my tuition, my dance equally well. कभी मेरी कोई टेस्ट मिस ना हो, and I'm really thankful to her for that. And I also thank my parents who encouraged me to pursue dance and studies together, right? So yeah. And continuing dancing was really a good stress buster for me. It kept me physically fit and mentally healthy. I remember like मैं 3 to 4 hours dancing को देती हूँ, right? 3 to 4 hours per day. So while coming back to that, मेरे पास अब limited time है, मुझे उस टाइम में ही मेरी studies complete करनी है. So it's quality over quantity, guys. Like 12 to 14 hours पढ़ के अगर कुछ याद ना रहता हो, it's better 5 to 7 hours per work. I can remember things. That's much more important, right? So yeah, घर आने के बाद I was much more focused कि okay, I have this limited time, इसमें मुझे complete करना है. So you have that what you say time limit. So उसमें तुम complete कर लेते हो. And when I was in 9th, my dance seniors, like they were in 10th at that time. So some of them decided to take a drop from dancing, क्योंकि as I told, right, this stereotype society में हम यही सुनते हैं कि बोर्ड्स है, बोर्ड्स के वक्त और कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ पढ़ो पढ़ो और पढ़ो, कोई खेलना नहीं, कुछ नहीं. ऐसा नहीं होता, right? ब्रेक सबको चाहिए होता है. You need to refresh your mind. So, but I eventually stayed. I continued my dancing, and when I compare my grades of primary class and secondary class, I find myself much more improved. But I haven't achieved something big enough, right? But we all know Bhavita Madhu, right? Yeah, she's a very good friend of mine, and I can say that she's the one who proved that balancing academics and extracurricular is difficult, but definitely doable. Like she back in school, वो 1 hour late आती थी. Like जो morning activity होती थी, she used to skip that. She had practice after the school, and I was like, यार ये इतना कर रही है तो मैं भी 3 to 4 hours तो दे ही सकती हूँ, right, dancing के लिए. So yeah, she was and she is one of my major inspirations. So guys, I would just suggest that instead of passing your time in watching movies or series or gamings, and I think one should pursue an activity or an hobby so that it will give you a break from your regular routine of books and exams and whatnot, and will engage you in a productive way. It will be really helpful in your future. Like you'll get relaxed, like दिमाग किसी और जगह पे भी लगेगा. फिर तुम जब वापस पढ़ने बैठोगे, then it will be productive. Okay, and by the way, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही कि series and movies देखना is not good. Obviously, I also watch movies. I am a very big fan of movies. But सारा time उसमें spend नहीं कर सकते, right? You have to be productive. And by the way, the movies which we see, the characters, the actors acting in it, they are also doing something productive. They are also showing their talent, right? So yeah. And speaking of actors and characters, by the way, we know Mr. Bean, right? Yeah, the famous actor Rowan Atkinson. He completed his masters in electrical engineering from Oxford University, and today he is ruling the comedy sector of entertainment. So getting me, what I am saying is that having a hobby or an extracurricular activity will help you by opening options for your career. Like later in life, if you realize कि okay, academics में मेरा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, okay, I'm not interested in it or I'm not doing with it, so you have your hobby besides you. Like उस समय तुम्हारी life वहीं stop नहीं हो जाएगी कि okay अब मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है करने को. You won't feel like a failure. You'll have it as your backup. So सारा तुम time उसमें prioritize कर सकते हो, and you can achieve success with that. ओके क्योंकि एक पॉइंट आता है लाइफ में कि तुम्हें दोनों में से कोई एक चीज को प्रायोरिटी देनी पड़ेगी. ओके, बट इट्स अप टू यू कि तुम्हें किस चीज को प्रायोरिटी देनी है. व्हाट इज योर इंटरेस्ट. And on the other hand, if you're already doing well in academics, if it is that's your passion, then obviously having a activity as a mode of refreshment, I guess, is not a crime, right? It will help you to focus more. Like दिमाग कुछ समय कहीं और काम करेगा, तो जब तुम वापस पढ़ने बैठोगे, then it will be more productive and more helpful. And I think many of you guys know, like जब हम कॉलेज में एडमिशन के लिए जाते हैं, so not only your academic results is considered, but also your other achievements, like winning a debate competition or playing at a national or a state level in some sports, or like cricket or football maybe. Maybe you're good in painting, that is also considered, right? You are given preferences with that. It helps you in getting your admissions. So the thing is that academics is not the only thing to rely upon, and indulging yourself in extracurricular activities will surely help you in far future. It will be productive and it will help you, right? So yeah, and if any of parents is watching me, I would just request you that please let your kids to indulge themselves in other activities. It will keep them fresh. They'll be more concentrated towards their studies, and I think it will really help in their academics. So that's what I'm saying. And yeah, by the way, in this unrealistic quest of being multi-talented, students often tend to take up many activities, and it ultimately leads them to nowhere. लाइक हाँ, मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है, मैं सब करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. ओके, तुम्हें सिर्फ एक ही एक्टिविटी पे तुम फोकस करो, सो तुम अपना टाइम इक्वली कर सको और वो प्रोडक्टिव हो तुम्हारे लिए, उससे कोई आउटकम है, दैट्स मच मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. लाइक सब कुछ करना इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. You need to show results in that. So pursuing one activity along with your academics is really helpful. So yeah, that's it. And I'm very thankful to all of you for listening me, and I hope that you find your interest of activity in this period of lockdown. Stay happy, stay safe, and stay cool. Okay, Yali ho.